Want open source, interoperable mHealth solutions? Go to mUzima.
Make sure you have internet connection. Go to Play Store and search mUzima. Tap on Install. Tap on Open. Read and agree disclaimer. Log in mUzima for Health Providers app, with username as admin and password as test. Select any configuration and tap on Next. Setup configuration will be downloaded onto device. Make sure you have internet connection. Go to mUzima for Health Providers app and log in with username as admin and password as test. Tap on menu bar and select Settings. Now we can see Open MRS settings. Tap on Server and type valid server URL address. You will get warning that, if you want to change server address, your existing mUzima data on device will be cleared. If you don't use a valid server URL address, it will show you invalid message. Make sure you have internet connection. Go to mUzima for Health Providers app and log in with username as admin and password as test. Tap on menu bar and select Settings. Now we can see mUzima settings. Session timeout means mUzima app will be logged out after defined time. Forms will be saved automatically after form interval. Real-time sync enables real-time synchronization of mUzima data. If you enable Require Medical Record Number, this will re-download the settings from server. Duplicate form data warning warns the user when they use duplicate data for same client. Font size of form can be customized. Land page allows you where to place your landing page. Share health record enables smart card feature. Enable GPS data collection feature. Set your default encounter. Manage provider by searching name. Set your default encounter location. Manage location by searching desired location name. Manage cohort prefixes allows you to set your cohort prefix. Manage concepts enables you to manage concepts from the server. Concepts are used to configure what observation to download. Go to mUzima for Health Providers app and log in with username as admin and password as test. Tap on Clients on dashboard. Type client's name on search bar. Yay! We have found the client information by searching name. Type client's unique ID on search bar. Yay! We have found the client information by searching client's ID. Tap on barcode scanner icon for searching client. Yay! Scan have been completed and we have found desired client's information. Make sure you have internet connection. Go to mUzima for Health Providers app and log in with username as admin and password as test. Tap on Clients on dashboard. Type client's name on search bar. If client's name is not found locally on device, tap on Search Server button. Yay! Client's record is found from server. Select the client's record and tap on Download icon. Selected client's record is being downloaded onto device. Go to mUzima for Health Providers app and log in with username as admin and password as test. Tap on Clients. Tap on Add Clients icon. You'll see warning that does the client have existing ID? For creating new, tap on No. Registration form will be open. Fill out all the required field on registration form. tap on Save. Completed form data will be saved onto device. Make sure you have internet connection. Go to mUzima for Health Providers app and log in with username as admin and password as test. Tap on Forms. Scroll completed form data. Tap on download icon. Form data will be uploaded onto server successfully. Go to mUzima for Health Providers app and log in with username as admin and password as test. Tap on Clients. Select any client. Tap on Observation. You can see historical data. Tap on Encounters. You can view historical encounters. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Twitter, subscribe our YouTube channel, and visit our website.